Hi everyone. Today I want to try to execute an SPSS program. The topic for the data that I use for the SPSS program is about the relation between the students' motivation with their achievement in the class. There are 11 participants. And here is the question on the questionnaire. There are 12. Let's see the data first. Here is the data that I get. 11 participants. The answer varies from 0.1 until 0.5. 1 is strongly disagree until 5 strongly agree. Okay, let's start first. First, we will find the Cronbach alpha from the data. Click Analyze, search for the scale, and click the Reliability Analysis. My questionnaire, there are two parts on my questionnaire, the items. The first until 6 question is about the intrinsic, while the 7 until 12 is about intrinsic motivation. So, to search for this, choose one of the questionnaire, the first questionnaire. So, for my questionnaire is the first until 6 question. Then click the arrow. Okay. After click it, just click OK then. Here is the reliability of the questionnaire before. Normally, the point will be 7, but if the much lower than that, then the questionnaire is not good or unreliable, which is here on 4. It's proof that the reliability for the questionnaire here is not very good. After we get the Cronbach alpha, just close it. We don't need it anymore, so just close it. You can choose whether you can save or not. It's not for me. The Cronbach alpha can also be used for the second part of the questionnaire. Also, all the parts, so like include every question on the questionnaire to search the Cronbach alpha. It also can be done. Next, after getting the Cronbach alpha, we search for frequencies and percentage, which is on analyze descriptive statistics and frequencies. Here I already enter, like before, the first part of my questionnaire. Here we can see the frequencies. Okay, the frequencies here. The mean, which means most answer, is on the 4, which is around agree. Here, natural, something like that. So means is overall result for the question. So the question number 1 overall result is they are agree, while the question number 2 is mean is the point natural. Question number 3 natural. The next is natural. The question number 5 is natural, and then last is agree. Here is the mean. For the minimum, maximum is the minimum answer. So the lowest point that the participant answer here in number 1 is 3, while the maximum is 5. The same principle work for the next question too. The minimum for the number 2, they answer 2. Okay. Next thing to do is to compute the variable. It's on the transform, and then click compute variable. Let's see. Just say that this is variable A, and then click here, input the variable. You can do it like before automatically, so just manually input one by one. Yes. Yep, this is the this is the variable, the first variable. Tab will label also input it on the same target. Then okay, the result will not be shown on the output windows, but will be shown on the data here. Ignore this. This is just messing around. Here is the first variable. The highest is 27, which is here. The same procedure can be also done with the second variable, like this. Make the second variable, say, variable B. The label will be variable B. Like before, the second variable is from question 7 until 12. Till 12. Okay. Like before, the result will be shown here. This is the result for variable A, and this is the result for variable B. After finish the computing, we start with the correlation. For the correlation, go to the analyze, and then search for correlate here. Correlate. Click the bivariate. Here, enter the variable that you searched before. Here, the variable A and the variable B. And then just click OK. The correlation will be shown here. The range on the correlation is around -1, 0, and 1. -1 means that it has strong relation between the variable. 0 means moderate, and 1 means weak relationship. Here we can see it shows that the correlation between variable A and B is weak, like 0.6. That's all for the SPPS. Thank you for watching.